Okay, so this is my input program code. First we start with import sys because we will be using standard in and sys.argv for later. Then we print out standard input to prompt the user to type in something. Then we set the variable text to readline and then run this while loop, so while there's still a line to be read, we print out the text and then reset it for the next user input. Then we print command line arguments, so we start with argc, which is the length of all the arguments made on the command line, and then arglist, which will be the actual arguments. So these three here, option 1, option 2, and option 3, we are initializing the option variables as empty strings by default, so that after the command line is done printing out everything, if they did not choose either one of these options, it will be left blank when it prints out. So we run this for loop for how many arguments there are in total, and then we set OPT to one of the arguments, and if it matches one of the option settings, so -o, -t, or -h, we will run something. So if we do -o in the command line, then we set option 1 to the argument that follows after. So we do the same thing for t because it works similarly to O, that we will take the argument that follows right after the -o or -t and put it into option 1 or option 2 respectively. Now, since option H, we were told that there is no data following that option 3, as we make sure that it just prints out option 3 because it was called, but we don't return any words after that. And so finally, we print out all the options in numerical order.